Hello, welcome back to Pop, aka Crimble's Msp. Today I'm recording a video because the rumour has it there's a release date for the old Msp back in 2011. So I hope you enjoy my video and I'll explain how I know this information, but I just want to be clear, all the credit of this video goes to Fibi, Msp, so thank you Fibi. Yeah, so I've done some research and read some stuff on places about the old Msp release date. It's gonna be at 27th of December 2021 at 15 Europe. So, and you can also get on the website, but I will go on to that in a minute. Let's read what it says. VIP on old Msp is free. On old Msp you don't spend money, you become VIP by collecting free online points by being active. Mix of old news. Old Msp offers an exciting and brand new mix of old Msp features and new, never seen before features. Work in progress. Old Msp is still an alpha game stage. Not all official Msp features are finished. New things get added with regular updates. And yes, if you want to visit it, I will show you what to type. You type, sorry, just need to find it. So I'm just gonna type it here. old-msp.com, and that's all you need to type, and it will lead you to the website. So this website actually needs a code, so I will show you what I mean. Sorry, screencast-o-matic. Well, we don't know what the password is, but I thought it meant But anyway, this is the old Msp loading screen, and I'm really excited to play because I remember playing this a long time ago, and it's epic. Like the rare eyes, the outfits, and possibly Samantha. Does anyone remember Samantha? And some of the old games, casting or whatever it was. Pardon? Sorry, I have fizzy drinks. But anyway, yeah, if you wanna contact me on Instagram, make sure to knock a pop MSP knocker _pop _MSP. Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed my video, and all credit goes to Phoebe. So thank you, Phoebe, for sharing information about it. Bye.